Hello, this video will show you how to connect wiring for Kia Sport, Kia, and Hyundai cars, which have a factory camera and which also have a factory amplifier. So firstly, you need to find this 8-pin small connector from CAN bus box, and the connector with Android unit backside. Same port and connect together. Secondly, make sure you connect both side cables with cable together. This side and this side, both sides need to make a wiring connection. Okay, for factory with the car with a factory camera, need to find the tag with camera way in. The other side connect this cable. This cable is for camera signal. Okay, for car with amplifier, firstly you need to find the two RCA cable from CAN bus, commonly with tag aux in and aux in. The other side, you need to find the RCA lead and find the same cable with audio out R and audio out R. So this is a whole video.